Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for 21 February and join me into the Discord guys. I do have a prank for a $10 giveaway. Can you do it? Join the Discord, read about it, okay? Yeah, so what's going on with Solana at this point of time? I'm on the weekly time frame, and in this weekly you kind of made an inverted hammer. You closed in an inverted hammer right there, and that's actually kind of a little bit bullish sign that the next candle that's gonna be is gonna be a green one. But be careful, be really careful. By the way, that's not something that we still want to see. Actually, it looks more like a doji or inverted hammer. It's like a doji actually. But anyway, this green candles that is appearing up is because of Bitcoin, of course, and who and it's pretty much of a, what do you call it? There's logic that when you go down, you are gonna go doom. It's like the downtrend is still continuing. I'm gonna show you one resistance that is actually forming up here, and that's a resistance that I'm looking forward to, right? So based on this resistance, it's like first of all you made a head and shoulder that I talked about, and now you're making some sort of a descending triangle. So if I consider this descending triangle from the top here to the bottom, and you start to break out of it, it still takes you down to the $66, right? So there is resistance right now at this point of time because you're having one touches here, one touch right there, and then you're looking for another touch right here. So this green candle to me might not be long lived, and it could be a short lived one. And there's no volume in that green candle, by the way, no volume at all. So be careful, that's not actually, that's kind of shady pump to the upside as well. And I talked about the 4-hour time frame and how we do have this head and shoulder pattern. It was a very clear one, and it was a break out of that particular head and shoulders as well. So what I'm gonna do is I actually want to see where the neckline really was. Yeah, so this was the neckline right there. Yes, that was the neckline of the head and shoulder. So in my opinion, all you did is you broke out of it, you went back to retest the neckline, nothing else, and that's exactly what is needed for us to actually dump to the downside as well. So you have big resistance near 97. So the highest you can go potential is 97, and then from there you slowly start to pick business to the downside, right? Because you're still making like lower high, and potentially another lower high, and a lower low, and a lower low. So that's a downtrend, okay? You're going in a waveform just like that, and potentially until you reach to that particular target right there. So I'm not having faith in these green candles that we're printing out anytime soon. Watch the Bitcoin update to know further information about Bitcoin as well, because Solana is going to mirror Bitcoin. And that's it for today's update, a very quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.